Hello, welcome here. Today we will cook fennel the best way possible. Watch this! Even if you don't have time to cook or don't like to cook at all. Best fennel ever! To create this amazing dish, we'll need the delightful combination of fennel, lemon, orange, garlic, parsley, olive oil, pepper, and salt. Begin by washing the fennel nicely and removing the stems. We won't use them today. Ensure the vegetables are washed well and allowed to dry, paying special attention to the greens. Let's start our journey and begin cooking. Take the fennel and skillfully slice it into thin, delectable pieces. Place these slices into a mixing bowl. Finely chop the parsley with precision. Add the herb to the fennel in the bowl, introducing a subtle herbaceous note that complements the distinctive fennel taste. In a separate bowl, squeeze the garlic, releasing its aromatic essence. This will form the base of our zesty dressing. Cut the lemon and extract the fresh lemon juice into the bowl with the garlic. Be followed by doing the same with the orange. These citrusy blends will add a refreshing tang to our mix. Drizzle a generous amount of olive oil into our magic mixture. This not only enhances the flavors, but also contributes to a luscious texture. Season your dressing with a pinch of pepper for the hint of spice. Top up with a dash of salt to balance the flavors. Stir the ingredients together until they harmonize. Pour the prepared dressing over the fennel and parsley mix. Gently coat every slice, ensuring an even distribution of flavors. So, the fennel is ready, and we can eat it just like that. But also you can put it into the can and keep it in the fridge for 2-3 days. Transfer the salad to the bowl, allowing them to mingle and marinate. This step lets the fennel absorb the vibrant flavors, creating a symphony of taste. Place the bowl with fennel in the fridge. Trust me, tomorrow it will be even more delightful as the flavors melt. Your fennel creation is ready to savor. Serve immediately for a burst of freshness, or refrigerate covered, allowing the flavors to intensify over time. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!